I had a good video for you tonight. I've just gone to the tile place to pick the tiles up that I ordered 2 weeks ago, and they said, yeah, they're all in stock, and they've sold them. And I'm just stressed out. I had a good video for you tonight. It was going to be the start of a 3-week project of changing a bathroom, refurbing a bathroom. So we're up to the point now where it's due to be tiled. So I was going to release sort of part 1 tonight, and then part 2 next week, and part 3 with it done. However, I've just gone to the tile place to pick the tiles up that I ordered 2 weeks ago, and they said, yeah, they're all in stock. Just gone down there today to get them, and they've sold them. So now they can't get them tiles back in until the 28th of this month, so 20 odd days away. So the whole bathroom's ripped out. It's the only bathroom the woman's got in the house, all ripped out, and it's ready for tiling, but we can't tile it for at least 20 days until the tiles turn up. So I just had a phone call with a woman. Luckily she was really good about it and understood. She'd been stopping at her daughter's house. So what I've said to her was, look, do you want me to get you just a cheap close couple toilet and cistern, go and put it in, because the bath's in. I fitted the bath this morning, so the bath's in. If I go and pick you a toilet up, fit it, at least you can move back for the 20 pissing days that I've lost on that now. So she said yes. I've just been to pick a toilet up, just going to go to the house now, and I'll give you a quick well, do I show you? Because it was going to be in the other video. I don't know. Well, you're going to see it anyway because I've got to put a toilet in. But I'll just show you where we're up at, and it's just been dead. The last 2 hours has just been dead stressful. So this is Wednesday afternoon, 3 o'clock Wednesday afternoon. So sorry, no big video today, but just this little putting the toilet in and getting the woman back in her house. If that makes sense. It probably don't make sense because I'm just dead stressed out and pissed off, and you just feel like you're letting your client down a little bit. She's good as gold. She's really understanding, but you know, everything was all in process. I've just gone to pick it up, empty the back of the van to put them in, and they weren't fucking there. So anyway, I'm waffling. Right, let's get over to her house and get this toilet in for her, so at least she can move back in for a bit. So I should be now starting to get the tiles in for this. Basically, this is the state we're at the minute. Everything was in. The bath was in. Walls were tiled, moisture boards on, ceiling's been skimmed, shower trays in. Everything's ready to be tiled tomorrow. But the bloody tiling place has let me down. So, stress. So what I'm going to do is, here was where the toilet, she's going to have all vanity units here. You'll see in the proper video for this, but she's going to have all vanity units there. So what I'm going to do is just fit her a toilet, just quickly chuck a toilet in here for her, and then she can move back in for the 20 days. She's got a cat and stuff, so it's just a pain. Right, let's get it in and get it done. It's just a nightmare, isn't it? But luckily, you know, the client, Becky, thank you, Becky, for being understanding. She realised, you know, it's out of my hands. I've gone ape shit at the tiling place, basically saying I ordered them and you've sort of dropped me in the shit. So, but it is what it is, and luckily she's all right with it. So I'll get her a toilet in here, and I'm just stressed out now. So what we got is basically what we call it is a bog in a box. Fair play to the lads at Plumbase in Warwick. They've sorted me out just to get me out of the shit, so to speak. So basically a bog in a box, pan, cistern, seat, internals, nice little cheapie. We'll get it in just to fix it there for her, and then at least she can move back in. Right, so we've got a bog in a box. It comes with all the internals already in it, all made up. Always just tighten them up. Get the sponge, fit the sponge on the bottom, donut or the sponge. No airs, graces, it's literally just a bog in a box. But they're perfect to get you out of shit like I'm in today. Never tighten all the way in with a power drill, because chances are you'll crop the pan. So just nip it up. Sorted, toilet in. I'll give her a ring now and she can move back in for 20 odd days. So the tiles arrived. I'm not sure if I mentioned it or not. So there we go, we've got a toilet just put in for her, just so she can move back in for a couple of weeks while we wait for the tiles to come. And luckily I've got the bath in today, so she can use that as long as she's not going to splash around. But I've told her that just to be a bit steady in there. So, but I just wanted to show you that's what happens, real life, that's what happens. These things happen, you know, the tile place is messed up somewhat, but that's what you've got to do. So now I'll put a toilet in for the client, she can get back in, she's really understanding about it, which is great. Some clients wouldn't be as empathetic with it. But that's what goes on, that's what we have to deal with sometimes. So I just wanted to give you a bit of an insight into it, how it's gone from all on schedule and literally the tiler was coming in tomorrow to start tiling, to bang, 20-day wait now for these tiles to come in. But that's what happens in the plumbing game. So just thought I'd let you know. Bit of a different video, but thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment below. I'm sure someone will comment that I haven't done something right there, or I really couldn't give a shit today, and I couldn't give a shit anyway. Well, I could, but no. Comment, subscribe, like. I'm sure someone will say you shouldn't have battened it off with 2 bits of wood, just one, but that's what some of the people are like that comment on YouTube videos. But no, thanks, catch you soon.